Aparprene, APAR's polymer division, was established in 2014, manufacturing a wide range of thermoplastic elastomers at its production facility strategically located at Umbergaon, Gujarat, to cater to customers across India. The company is a leading manufacturer of thermoplastic elastomers and is capable of producing all kinds of customized physical properties of material by collaborating with clients and understanding their requirements. APAR offers a vast range of polymer solutions in thermoplastic elastomers, TPE, TPV, TPO, TPU, specialty polymer compounds, impact modifiers, and coupling agents. We address all the three dimensions: people, processes, and products. Our well-equipped sophisticated lab has state-of-the-art equipment offering world-standard material testing facilities. With years of experience and extensive capabilities in material quality and manufacturing, the R&D team knows how to leverage these assets for success. APAR has an ingrained customer-centered approach and has collaborated with leading logistic partners to provide on-time delivery of material to customers. Our team is available round the clock at the customer's location for conducting trials and for providing technical assistance. APAR Polymer has channel partnership with companies across the world with a commitment to deliver world-class material with the changing times. Our adaptability to volatile situations and reliability through consistency has helped to build a strong reputation with our stakeholders. At APAR, we are constantly innovating to bring pristine quality new products to you with a loyal and dedicated workforce. We have equipped ourselves to achieve tomorrow's progress today. We are the APAR Group.